Bruh.
Saturday morning at 10.
I'm like here in fucking Central Oregon, nigga, on the I-5. I got the pile chop, nigga. I'm like hella tempted to just like chill and smoke some chop right now, fucking, you know. So cool.
A few moments later.
Fucking speed is here, dog. Like, look at that fucking smoke, I mean, holy fucking shit. This is fucking stupid, bro. Literally.